Okay, so we're in the Shake Shack, so I'm gonna check out this line. It's a really long line. The menu over there, so we're gonna kind of navigate through this. It's in the London Casino. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Shake Shack, so yeah, it's super crowded in here. There's a menu over there. And we're inside the Londoner Casino. Let's see, I've never been in Shake Shack before, so we'll see if it's good or not. We're ready for Shake Shack, and there's the Londoner. That's how crowded it is. And the burger. And the french fries. Okay, so in part 2, we're going to come back to the Londoner again. Just going to look at the Shake Shack and look how crazy crowded this is. That's insane. Look how many people there are lined up. This is opening day, and yeah, that's crazy. Wow, look at that. So yeah, that's the Shake Shack right there. Yeah, there's all these lines right here. That's crazy. So yeah, please queue up, and it goes all the way, and it goes all the way down to that way. So yeah, Shake Shack. There's a menu down that side. And yeah, so all this is all lined up here. Yeah, I was able to try it yesterday, so that's amazing. It's really crowded. Okay, yeah, opening day as well, so. Yeah, Shake Shack. All those lines. And there's a menu right here too. This is wine, beer, drinks. There's even dog bones. 52. 52 is like $6 for dog bones. On this side there's shack burgers, all the hamburgers, chicken. Okay, so yeah, it's crowded inside the Londoner here. Shake Shack.